Aloha travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach, one of the most convenient and comfortable hotel options just steps away from world-famous Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. Located just 2 blocks from the beach, the Hyatt Place Waikiki offers modern comfort in a laid-back, island-inspired setting. The lobby is spacious and welcoming, with plenty of seating, but I was surprised there were only 3 computers for check-in at this very busy hotel. Now, let's make way to our room on the 11th floor. Let's take a look at room 1131 here at Hyatt Place Waikiki. This is a standard king room. So here's a quick glance at the room. But first, let's take a look over here where we have the small closet. It has an ironing board, extra blanket and pillows up there, and there's a large safe here below. So let me open that up for you. And there's the large safe. Here's the single sink with a nice mirror and a spacious bathroom. It's a pretty large shower. And there's the products they use. There's the toilet and another mirror to get ready when you're going out. And here's a look at the room. First, let's check out this living room area with a nice L-shaped couch. And I believe this has a pull-out bed, so you can sleep 2 more people here. So you can sleep 4 people in this room. Here's the spacious king-size bed and some plugs for your devices. Now let's see what's over here. So we have a nice office desk, and they gave us all these items as a welcome gift. So we got a couple bottles of water and some reusable water bottles. And they do have a destination fee here, and these are the things that are included. So, and I believe right now their pool is closed, so you can use the pool at the Queen Kapiolani Hotel, their sister property. Here's a coffee maker, and the coffee and tea, and a nice bucket down there. There's a small fridge right here. Let's check it out. Pretty decent sized fridge, some storage drawers, and the big screen TV. Now let's check out our view. There's our balcony with 2 chairs and a small table. And we have views of the other buildings. You can kind of see the ocean back there. And there's Diamond Head right there. So we have a decent view here. And overall, I really like this room. It's very spacious for up to 4 people. One of the highlights of staying here is the complimentary breakfast every morning. The buffet, located on the 3rd floor terrace, features fresh fruit, scrambled eggs, waffles, yogurt, cereal, rotating hot items, and a variety of juices, tea, and coffee. Whether you're fueling up for a beach day or a hike up Diamond Head, it's a great way to start the morning. It does get busy here, so I suggest coming in early. The Placery is a casual dining spot located within the hotel's lobby bar area. It offers a thoughtfully curated menu featuring items like the burger, chicken Caesar salad, and turkey pesto sandwich. Guests can enjoy these dishes in the cozy lounging areas or at the bar, complemented by a selection of premium alcoholic beverages. And if you're lucky, you might hear some live performers in the afternoon. There's also The Market, a 24-hour grab-and-go shop located in the hotel lobby where guests can purchase prepackaged items and drinks. They have a very tiny pool here at the Hyatt Place, which is kind of disappointing. But it's closed right now, so I'm not sure why, but you can't use it. One of the biggest perks of this hotel is its location. You're just a few minutes walk from iconic spots like Waikiki Beach, the Honolulu Zoo, and countless shops and restaurants. We especially loved spending our afternoons soaking up the sun at the beach. Hyatt Place Waikiki makes it even more relaxing by providing complimentary beach chairs and towels, perfect for a hassle-free day by the ocean. Let's check out the small fitness center they have here. So here's a couple exercise bikes, some free weights with a couple of benches, elliptical machines, some treadmills, and they have one Peloton bike right here and a cable machine. So it's a small but still very functional fitness center. The hotel conveniently features 2 on-site gift shops where you can find a variety of souvenirs, island-inspired clothing, beach essentials, as well as drinks and snacks, perfect for grabbing last-minute items before heading out to explore Waikiki. For guests needing to stay connected or handle work-related tasks during their stay, Hyatt Place offers a 24-hour business center by the lobby. And there's no need to leave the property to grab a vehicle, as first rent-a-car is conveniently located by the business center. Here's the laundry room for your convenience. There's not that many machines, so you might have to wait. Our stay at Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach was the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and aloha spirit. From the clean modern rooms and daily complimentary breakfast to the unbeatable location just steps from the beach, everything came together to make our visit to Honolulu relaxing and memorable. While the pool was temporarily closed and the limited number of elevators caused occasional delays, these were minor inconveniences compared to the overall experience. We still highly recommend this hotel for families looking for great value, friendly service, and a prime Waikiki location. Thank you for watching. Is Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach on your list of hotels in Oahu? Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel tours.